Hello, writers! Today is our planning day. It's your chance to take the character that you created last time, choose a setting for your story, and a problem and a solution. In lesson 2, we talked about character. You created your character. You watched as I created my character, Gretchen, and I told you all about Gretchen and the things that I wanted you to know about her, that she's curious and kind and loves animals and she's helpful and she's brave. And then you watched as I imagined Gretchen in a situation where she was in her backyard fort and her problem is that she found a hurt bird that looked like this. Okay, so what you're going to do today is you're going to find this page. It's a realistic fiction planning sheet. You're going to find it in your packet and grab that, and we're going to start filling it out. I'm going to show you how I fill it out for my character, Gretchen, and the story that I'm writing, and you're going to fill it out for the story that you're creating. Before we fill out our planning sheet, I have a little video that might help us in doing so. So let's watch this little video. It's only about a minute long, and we'll see if it gives us help.
The setting, the problem, and the solution. Then we will add more details when we actually start writing the story later. So first, I need to think about the main character in my story. Characters are the people and animals in a story. Remember, the characters should be realistic. Sometimes it helps to make the character kind of like yourself. I think I will write about a little girl and her dog. I will name them Mary and Sam. Next, I need to decide on a setting. The setting is where and when the story takes place. It has to be realistic, though. I think I want to make my story take place outside on a snowy day. Now I need to think of a problem. What could really happen to a little girl and her dog on a snowy day? Ooh, maybe Mary slips on the ice and Sam gets loose. That would definitely be a problem. Finally, I need a solution to the problem. How will that problem be solved in the end? Maybe a stranger will see Sam and he'll lure him with a piece of food from his grocery bag. And then Mary and Sam can go home to be warm and safe. Wow, I think this is going to be a great story.
Okay, so that video helped us see how to do our character, setting, problem, and solution. Well, we already have our character. My story, at least, is Gretchen. And I want to add another character that I didn't talk about before, and that is Little Bird. That's the little bird that she finds. And the setting, which I've already said in my story, is the fort in the backyard, Gretchen's backyard fort. Okay, so now we have our characters, our setting, and we need a problem and a solution. I'm going to talk about problem and solution next. Characters have problems and solutions. I'm so embarrassed. I forgot today was dress up day. A problem is something that goes wrong in a story. Now, solution is how the problem gets solved. So in this case, my mom is the best for bringing my clothes to school. So here we have a character who had a problem, and that is how it got solved. That's what the solution is. So now I have to do some really, 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 really hard thinking about the problem that Gretchen has and how it's going to get solved. So the problem in my story about Gretchen and Little Bird is that Gretchen finds a hurt little bird in her backyard. Now, that's a big problem because Gretchen's not a vet. So how is she going to solve this problem of a hurt bird? She loves animals and she's helpful and kind, so she can't just leave it there. So how on earth can we solve this problem of the hurt bird? I know. Here's a solution. Gretchen picks up the little bird and gets help. Now, I'm going to add a lot more detail when I actually write my story, but for now, I have it all planned out. I know who my characters are. I know where the story is taking place. I know what the problem is, and I know what the solution is. So today, I want you to fill out your planning sheet. I want you to write in all of these things: character, setting, problem, solution. And it's okay if you're not exactly sure how you're going to solve your problem. Sometimes our solutions change a little bit as we actually write the story. So remember, this is just the planning sheet. You're not actually writing your story yet, but you're writing what your story is going to be about. Are you stuck? Here are some ideas that may help get you going. This page is in your packet too, so you can refer to it whenever you want. But here are some ideas, some suggestions. You could write about friends, vacation, a pet, camping, racing, a carnival, a party, camp, school, moving, game, storm, fishing, swimming, farm, zoo. There are other ideas too that aren't on this page that you probably have in your head, but maybe this will help get you going. Good luck writing. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Now it's your turn. Get creative, writers. Fill out those planning pages. Your teacher cannot wait to see what you come up with.